What's up, guys? Lionel Turner here, One Way Pressure Washing Services out in beautiful, sunny, getting warm Carlsbad, California. And we have beautiful building wash or house wash. This one is for a realtor who's about to put it on the market. Some areas of concern. So you're getting at the porch area, a lot of cobwebs. It's a really beautiful home. They're doing a lot of work on the inside. Painters are here, mulch guys coming later on. Under these eaves, extremely bad. A lot of cobweb buildup. Not too much algae, a couple areas, but a lot of cobwebs. They want to make this place looking nice and beautiful, you know, for whoever's going to buy it. It's going to be a beautiful home, beautiful neighborhood. Going to be very happy with it. Nice balcony in the back. Up there. These window sills need a little love. In here, little nooks and crannies. But overall, it's not too bad. The only area that really has any real algae buildup right there. So using the X-Jet 3% house wash mix, should be good to go. Should be good to go. Gotta wet this side down first. Sun's baking on it. Don't want the solution to dry up too fast. So should be in and out here pretty decent amount of time, or short amount of time. You know, this is actually for a buddy of mine. He's a window guy. I've known the guy about 40 years. We grew up in the same neighborhood, and he does a little bit of pressure washing, but he's swamped right now. He's one of the top window cleaner guys in our area, and he says, "Hey, I got a job for you." I said, "No problem." Called the real estate agent up, locked it down. He's gonna be here Monday to do the windows. He said painters are inside, mulch guy coming, get a lot of work done. So we're gonna make it look nice. Stay tuned. All right, guys, all squared away. House looking beautiful. Check it out. All that. A bunch of cobwebs and nastiness. Got some ivy growing through up there. Nothing we can do about that. That's actually embedded. Looking great. Looking pretty. All that is all caked up. In the white bag. Mulch man right there. See what's up to YouTube.
How you doing?
Bunch of work. It's a bunch of work going on over here. It's all looking good. Those gutters need to be replaced, so they got holes in them rusted through. All that up there. Nice and pretty. Definitely able to get that green out. Up to the back side. This is all sunny when I got here. Now it's all just the shady side. All looking good. There's actually a section in the middle that I didn't know about. I Google Earth and it had a big shadow. You couldn't see it when I came out here. I got no photos or nothing of that. There's no way to get in there unless the door's unlocked and no one was here. So I actually had a little courtyard in the middle, 4 walls. Pretty cool. It wasn't too hard. Was surprised that I got on the roof through the section up there and I was like, oh, so it was a fun one. Get out of his way. We're looking good. We're looking good. So yeah, all wrapped up. Did a nice house soft wash on it, no pressure. Just a little bit of chemical, let it sit, let it kill everything, let it do its work. That way we're not doing any damage. You don't want to put any high pressure on stucco. Yeah, house wash, roof wash, pool decks, patios, brick walls, anything of that nature. We got you. Go and give us a call. One-way pressure washing, one-way pressure washing services. Lionel Turner, 760-703-9563. Come out there, give you a free estimate. Take care of you.